This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for September 22nd, 2020. Corn market down a half, beans down 2 3/4, Chicago wheat up 3 1/4, Minneapolis up 5, Kansas City up 4 1/2. Really just kind of another day here of a little weaker tone to corn and soybeans. Some were hoping for a turnaround Tuesday, but still a lower close will, I think, get some attention here. We got a big harvest 3-4 weeks ahead of us here, and that could potentially keep pressure around. Way too early to start talking about downside price counts, but we're going to start to at least talk about some areas of interest we feel we need to be attentive to. Until we can generate some downside price counts, the big areas of interest are the gap area around 345.5 in the December corn contract, and right around that 985 area off the front month soybeans. So that's really going to be the area of first inflection point. Obviously in corn there may be some sooner, but with that gap down there, that's going to get a lot of the market's attention here as we work ahead. So keep an eye out for that. We'll try to generate some price counts when we can get them, but we need a reversal action down and then a little correction up before we can start measuring what the potential is of this move. Over in the feeder cattle market, down 162.5, live cattle down 22.5 to 105, hog market up 272.5, and the big news there in hogs is reported upwards of 20 cases of African swine fever now in Germany, and that's got the hog market's attention. Obviously China closing off any exports out of that country into their country, and that brings a hope and optimism that we could see some U.S. Greater demand for pork going to China. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss. It is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.